What if you don't have a dash? Well, you have a few different options. Option one, we have lots of cores available, and depending on availability, we might be able to sell you the core and the restoration, and you don't have to send us anything. The second option would be to buy something off of eBay. Now, there's some best practices for buying parts off of eBay. One, just know that you are buying a 30 to 50-year-old part that is very prone to cracking, just like any other dash. And if you're looking to have eBay part restored, you can just have it sent directly to us, so you don't have to worry about inbound shipping. I always caution people against buying eBay parts and then having it shipped to them thinking it's a usable part because of the nature of the vinyl drying out and the foam degrading. It's not really a matter of if the vinyl will crack, but a matter of when. So a lot of guys will go through all the work of taking their dash out of the vehicle or going to put in this eBay part, and then it cracks during the installation process. We just hear it all the time. Another scenario for people is like, what if you just want to keep driving your car through the summer, through the spring? eBay is also a really good source for buying a second dash and having it shipped directly to us for the restoration process. So you don't have any downtime with your car either. One, a 71 Buick Skylark, for instance, you can search for 71 Buick Skylark dash pad, and then on the left side, you're gonna see used parts. If you don't check off the used part, you're gonna be sold a bunch of toupees or rugs, dash caps, who knows what else you're gonna be getting. What you're looking for is dash pads or dashboards. If you ever have any questions about buying something on eBay, you can always send us the link and we can do a photo inspection for you based on those eBay photos. And this has worked out for countless number of customers, and then you can ask the eBay seller to ship it directly to us. And we'll still ask you to fill out a packing slip form. If the eBay seller can include the packing slip, great. If not, don't worry about it. We'll get it all put together once the dash is here.